I felt so great after graduation because after so many struggles that I've encountered. My mom passed away last year. My father had stroke twice. Then now my father is here with me, standing with me, like watching me on the stage, accepting the diploma, which is really great. Regarding about this place, it's like a place that I used like when I was like watching a movie. It's like a classic theater but modern inside, which is really great. And I saw everyone like enjoying the moment. My classmates during the we were studying our web design development. Everyone is like helping each other. If especially my instructor, I would like to shout out my instructor, Miss Rasika, because she helped us a lot on our projects, especially on my capstone project right now. The very good thing about the ABM College, and when I studied here, I noticed that staff are very helpful, instructors are very approachable, and as I've said, like helping each other on every group activity is very grateful.